Ghana. With over 6,200 individuals, Ghana joins the list of significant deportation numbers. Number 2, Nigeria. Over 20,200 people awaiting removal.
So these are African countries on Donald Trump's deportation list for 2025. According to the ICE, he has already started. It's going on right now. As of now in Africa, the one who is topping the list, I think, is Somalia with over 22,000 people. After that, Nigeria with over 20,000 people. Then there's Ethiopia with 10,500 people. Then you come to Ghana with 6,400 people. The list goes on and on and on. Now, how is this going to be carried out? First of all, they have to find the people, and then they'll detain them and verify their immigration status. They'll be raiding people's homes and their offices to get these people. However, not everybody will be deported. Some people will appear before the immigration judge and defend their case. Some people can also seek new immigration status by citing their family relationship or maybe fear of being persecuted back home. That's what we call the temporary protected status. If you don't want problem, if you don't want them to come looking for you, you can leave voluntarily. And finally are the people without documents or maybe with invalid documents. As for them, they'll go through what we call the expedited removal. They will not even listen to them. Like, they will not even get the chance to appear before court. Immediately, they'll bring them back to their country. Even though some of them can seek asylum. So in a nutshell, expect some of your family members back home as soon as possible.
All right, so guys, you heard that, Donald Trump, whilst campaigning, said that he's going to, study, the biggest deportation, the mass deportation ever seen in the history of the United States. Yes. But now we're gathering that in this exercise, over 6,000 people of our brothers and sisters in the United States will be deported. Over 6,000 Ghanaians will be deported. This is the news we are getting. This is Loyalty TV. You subscribe, like, share, and then put us on post notifications so that whenever we post, you get to see what we are doing on this platform. So this is, the list that will be giving you, and what, some Ghanaians abroad are also saying, Charlie, they are afraid and all that, but we just have to report on this. 6,000 people and above will be deported. So this is the list. Mauritius, 1,200 people will be deported. 1,500 people will be deported from Tajikistan. Angolans, 1,800 will go. Albanians, 2,300 people. 3,000 people from Georgia will be going home. 3,800 people from Senegal. 4,500 people from Guinea. 4,700 people from Romania, 5,400 Egyptians, and 6,200 Ghanaians. Actually, we pray say make them try to do some suspecting thing like that, because this is not a pleasant news at all. But then, United States President Donald Trump says that he is going to make America great again, and he's going to do that by sending home all undocumented individuals or undocumented nationals living in their country. So this is the news. But let's get the reaction of some Ghanaians staying in the US. This is Loyalty TV Series. Subscribe, like, share. We out.
Now take America now in Krata. Obianya wadanfo. America, every man for himself. Jimmy to you Obianya wadanfo. Enko kanchiro obi say oye wadanfo nti wo ne Krata odwan odi obi Krata na ye adwuma enkanchiro obia. Wanya baya kura ofia na wo wa enka nkyere no ofui wo kunu na wo boyfriend anko ka hwenkyere no kosoa na fa wonkratai obi nkrata ne ya adwuma kulai wanka obi ahu ena ayi fo no Trump nkofo no omo hia no mbisa se wonkrata wo he a oni bia emfi omo ansa kwehyen no emfi omo enkoyi obi nkrata de adwuma mfa mo eno kra de asem na sei kra ti ya mechiro no enti woni ma uhu om no mo ba fast no mo di kan chim go fo mienu woni ma no ya fast yi fum o man so mu a na yi fum anya me na di hu afo fie ujimi mo so mu a om de obekọ ti dia me chon ti so man so mu aba fresh na ma o jimi sa be utimi deport we see how also deport 10 million people nti utimi deport be 50 million na we like na that city kroma na bambebu because deportation no I saw employ more soldiers more BB and to employ and sana wa ma brofo no so aye more aircraft amano and the plane no any sa no money na a cost of money detention ne ho the cost of money nti we deport be 50 million people here na bambebu say tem go be free nti she them at this moment ko jimi me mefa na dem go fa problem bi ha mle wabusianfo because o kwa rigare ye mpanifo na jimi joma ma ba ya enim so be ya jimi nya na nsi onam se o be ton to ben o be da hwan ase me na mse Ghana fo nto abama ya nto abam ye mpasse da ye pa adwuma no ye ni ye ye adwuma ni ye obi ka ase me ba me ye sei no en no ye wo krom ha sisi akro na hiti upia wo nkotre bakura machi osenya immigrant fon kwa na dwan trum fo nyina ye chewa 15 years o kodam straight hard labor eno nso ye chewa won kofi o ye chewa ye ma so hwidi wako court sembia ni babia because executive order na Trump nnenam ono nya afi na ye nkodi wasembia o chewa de o ko straight o jime do nti nti nya vena o ye de wako ye mfa police ye mfa court ye mfa dabi o di soldier fo ni ayifo na ye adwuma na ye mo awa straight to the aircraft near ya drive mo dem ko plane no near ko jama go Mexico near jibe go Africa na you see entina menchire was Edwin Jesse was a bro, good afternoon, hope you are doing well. Your cousin my case wanna take a picture with you. Oh, of course they gonna make it we gonna make it happen. Edwin Jesse, whenever you come to New York City, let me know. I'm gonna pull up and we take the photo. I got you, man. Of course, Mama Ghana for him in the Kakase Beya. And Trump will stop trumu. Your mama also best stop trumu. Trump will say, I'm wade. On who send Clamor me no credium trum. Na campus and nipper and answer with Timmy Johnny. With me calculate ABCD, Abede. With me calculate mathematics. One oko fa yonko bema trum. And a binning our pediana, opese udi biniana. And Trump say mo ya mwanti. Sanko phone na so sisamu ekugu prison na mko hard labor ekosom oman no. Enti trumudiefo no nyina yam pressure dom so nti si o madwane ko Scotland ne Ireland ne France ne ade dwane no mu dwane obi ekọ because siro Trump. Enti na akwa no nya se okasa kwa ono ana nteba field no so na man yehu no ono ana nteba no ne mu abegina ho no point here mo be osisa mo gogu plane no se so mo ko na sisi a so obi twaska e de ama countries ne nyina wode osisa mbegu Mexico anu ama Mexico mampanyini sika se be ya Mexico mampanyini bonfu osisa mkogu Ghana anu ama Ghana mampanyini sika wode mko Nigeria anu ama Nigeria sika se be ya ombonfu no mbeje mo because mo free krom amfa mo jimi nko enti sika ye de to aduane man immigrant no omde be ma America ni wadi ase no enti esi ane adenti ne nyina ya piwi ase ye mpanimfo agimi ama obi de ne mpanimfo nim nyansa wa bi adwuma woni krom ama obi ahoto no ama obi a pese obakuro no be survive ye de mpanimfo agimi nko antina adwoma ama me pese me hiti ne kakrakra no me be bone tuja sa to na wo kono nyansa bi anim use that energy to tour the whole nation and see the problems and solve the problems. And until you go to Abama, say me but thank you to one akoda say. Why now koda say? Intimate news na your mama obey yet to say kufuadwa emwa. Me start ya fire obi entimi nka bi ma. Me start ya fire it is what it is. Be ye twumani ye. Me ye won ti say kufuado da bi. And say MP before the Jimmy Cotton Parliament, say, one, once and